there goes some of my Timbs. Maybe. Something. I don't know. I don't know where I'm wearing it at, but okay. Alright. I got a pair of pants. Ben Sherman. Slim fit. I told him relax. I like them though. They're straight. Okay. That's the third item. Fourth item. Some joggers. Staples. Yeah, match the shirt that I got. Okay. That's a nice fit. Okay. See how that's gonna look. Okay, yeah. We can do that. And the last item, pair of socks. I got a pair of socks on the last one. Crisp. Nice and warm. So, okay. I like this box. This box is decent. Almost had a spillage. Yeah. So there we go. All right. Nice little fit and get up. Okay. Now here's the moment of truth. See, like I said, I wanted, hopefully they're gonna give me some Jordans, but you know they give you Jordans, Adidas, probably some Reebok, some other stuff. But they gave me a pair of Adidas. They low top. What color y'all think it is? I don't even know yet. But seeing the outfits that they gave me, I said they probably black and white shoes. And I was about to order me a pair of Jordans, but I said I'm gonna wait until my box come in. If I got a pair of Jordans in this box, in my Threadbeast box this month, I wasn't gonna buy a pair of Jordans. But since they gave me some Adidas, I guess I'm gonna go buy me some other shoes. But okay, that's enough talking. Let's see what we got. Adidas. Oh Lord, I don't even want to open it. They don't need to tell you the color on here anyway. Alright. 3, 2, 1. What the... Man. These kind of flavor though. I ain't gonna cap. These kind of hot. Some old Chinese jump off. Oh my. What y'all think? Got the gold, black, white, Chinese letters, right? Now you know what that say. Do it say Adidas? I don't know. You tell me. Gold tips on the laces. He's kind of fire. Low key. Dang. Ooh. They look like they're comfortable too. I gotta look these up and see what these are. I don't know. I haven't seen these before. Comment and let me know. Do y'all know what these are? Okay. I like those. Yeah, I like those. But what can I wear them with? I figure it out. If I don't got nothing, I buy. Ooh, look at that. That's like a slip-on shoe too. That's a fake me out. Like, like I don't know. I don't know. Haven't had this kind of shoe before. That's hot though. But alright. This your boy Sco 910. Another box opening. So yeah, comment down below. Let me know if y'all know what these are. Damn hot. Alright, so yeah. That's it. I will get at y'all another day, another time. Alright, that's what the fit's looking like. Socks. A little shirt. A little button up. A little khaki, little blue khakis. Might be my Easter outfit. And so yeah, there we go. They got me dipped out.